Perhaps the most obvious difference between a rock and a rose is that the rock does not grow. In fact, it progressively becomes smaller as its surface erodes. Plants and animals, on the other hand, begin life as single fertilized eggs and become larger as they mature. In the case of animals, including ourselves, a determinate growth pattern dictates a prefixed maximum size that the body may reach. This pattern is implicit in and established by genes, cellular instructions inherited from parents, and is more or less related to the number of cells that the body is programmed to produce. Animals grow and spend their lives in a variety of places. Mobility enables them to choose habitats that are most favorable for existence under changing conditions at different times of the year. A plant is anchored in one place throughout its life. Half of its body, its root system, is buried in the dark, damp, and somewhat stuffy recesses of the soil. Despite being surrounded by a legion of potentially destructive grubs and soil microorganisms, such as fungi and bacteria, roots are wonderfully adapted to this strange hidden environment. In contrast, shoot systems, consisting of stems and leaves, occupy a sunlit, airy, but frequently tempestuous world. Growth impediments are different from those below ground and may range from insects and larger animals with voracious appetites to the drying effect of wind and sun or even damage from fire. Roots and shoots are frequently thought of as different entities growing in opposite directions. To a plant, they are parts of the whole body that must be as well coordinated as our torso and legs during the course of growth and the varied activities humans undertake. Root growth and shoot growth are harmonized events, one complementing the other, with energy reserves and raw materials for bodybuilding equally allocated to the two halves. And when daily or seasonal environmental changes affect one part, the other must respond in sympathy. The fact that plants do respond to their environment in more subtle ways than animals could be listed as another characteristic of their being living organisms. Fulfillment of the fundamental qualities of living things, reproduction, cellular metabolism, growth, and response to the environment, can only be achieved by such precisely controlled interactions between roots, stems, leaves, and flowers.